Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock here works correct, and we can unlock the device just less than in 1.5 seconds. So this is the good result. You just should hold for a while the fingerprint scanner, because if you will make it with a simple touch, you have no chance just to unlock the smartphone. So that's why just hold for a while your finger here on the scanner, and you'll just unlock your device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.